Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Excel odd or even formulas. We'll dive into several powerful methods for identifying odd and even numbers within your spreadsheets. First, we'll explore the straightforward ISOD and ISVN functions, perfect for quick checks. Then, we'll examine the versatile MOD function, which offers greater control and can be adapted for more complex scenarios. Finally, we'll weigh the pros and cons of each technique to help you choose the best one for your specific data analysis needs. The ISOD and ISVN functions are Excel's most direct way to check number parity. To use them, simply type equals ISOD, A1 or equals ISVN, B2, replacing the cell reference with your desired number. If the number is odd, ISOD returns true, otherwise it's false. Similarly, ISVN returns true for even numbers. These functions are incredibly easy to understand and implement, making them ideal for quick, straightforward parity assessments in your worksheets. The MOD function provides a powerful alternative for determining odd or even status. It calculates the remainder when one number is divided by another. For example, mod 7(2) equals 1, indicating an odd number. For an even number like MOD 8(2), the result is 0. You can wrap this in an if statement such as equals if mod A1 2 equals 0, even, odd, to return custom text. This method offers greater flexibility for integrating parity checks into more complex formulas. When deciding between these methods, consider your specific needs. For straightforward true or false answers, ISOD and ISVN are unmatched in their simplicity and clarity. If you require custom text outputs, like odd or even, or need to embed the parity check within a larger, more intricate formula, the MOD function combined with an if statement is your superior choice. Both approaches are highly efficient, so select the one that best aligns with your formula's purpose and your desired level of detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.